How to share TikTok to Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share TikTok to Snapchat. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now I'm playing the videos until I found the video I want to share. Okay, for example, I want to share this video. All I need to do is click on share and keep search on those options until I found Snapchat. And now you can edit this video and send it to your friends or post it story. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.